length, we want to write a method called removeEvenLength. Start off with making it public, removeEvenLength. It takes a set of strings as its parameter. So we are going to have a set, we know it's string, and we'll just call this set1. And it removes all of the strings of even length of the set. And we just want to return that set. So let's make it a void since we're just modifying this. And inside of here, let's do a little brace. We want to do a iterator. That's how we would go through a set like this. So we'll start this off with iterator, and we're going to pass in string type, and we want to call this just it1. We'll set it equal to set1 dot iterator because our set has an iterator method inside of it that we can use. Now is time for our while loop. While loop is where we go through our iterator. So it1 dot has next, and inside of here we want to do a check. And whenever we do a check, it's typically with an if statement. So we're going to have if. We want to check our current value, so we'll do it1 dot next, and we want to see if it is an even length. So we removes all the strings of even length. So if it's even, we're going to remove it. So modulus 2 equals 0, checks if it's even, and then we're just going to do it1 dot remove. And this is going to remove it from our set because it's the iterator is based off of the set. And that's pretty much it. So let's close this off. Let's submit it. Oh, remember, we're dealing with strings right here, so we have to do dot length to get the actual length of the string. That's very important. While that runs, we'll pass 3 out of 3 tests. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Totally be super happy to answer any of them. This is it inside of my IntelliJ. You can see that the output runs like this. So it indeed does update. This is the method. This is me putting it into and calling the method. And this is just me printing it right here. So that's pretty much it. Passing all the tests. As always, there are more videos in the description below the like button.